Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Are you fine? Okay. And how is your online classes going? Okay, so you all are able to follow those online classes well, right? Okay, very good. I'm so happy to hear that. So, which is the chapter we are dealing with right now? Yes, we are studying the poem The Sower, written by Victor Hugo. And what's the nationality of Victor Hugo? Yes, Victor Hugo is a French writer. So you have followed the previous class well. I'm so happy that you know something about the author and the chapter. Okay, then what what have we seen at the last class? Yes, we saw that a poet, Victor Hugo, was sitting in the porchway and he saw the farmer. Farmer in the farm is this farmer and this poem is always busy and he is in the farm throughout day and even during the dawn, right? And he's hoping for a good harvest, right? And in today's class, we are going to study the last three stanzas of the poem, The Sower. Okay. And who translated the poem Sower into English? Yes, the great poet Thoreau Dutt translated this poem into English. Okay, and so now in today's class we are going to see what the farmer is doing in the farm late in the evening. Now you have to read the last three stanzas of the poem individually and silently. You have to tell me the new words you found there. So you have finished reading, and the new words you told me are sill out, furrow, reap, and scatter. And now we will discuss the meaning of these words one by one, and we will learn these new words. Okay, are you ready? Okay, very good. So the first word you told me is sill out. How to pronounce the word? Sill out. Now I'll show you a picture and you will understand the meaning from the picture. You can see a picture here, right? So this is a silhouette. That is, a silhouette means the image of a person, animal, object or scene represented as a solid shape of a single color, usually black. So I hope the meaning of the word silhouette is clear from the picture itself, right? The next word you told me is furrow. I'll show you a picture and you will understand the meaning of the word from the picture itself. Okay, so here is the picture for you. So this is the picture of a furrow. So a furrow is a narrow trench made in the ground by a plow, especially for planting seeds or for irrigation. So this is a usual scenes in our native place where there are fields and agriculture is, right? So I hope that the meaning of the word furrow is also familiar and understood for you. Okay, isn't it? Okay, very good. So this a furrow is this is a picture of a furrow. So the next word you told me is reap. I'll show you a picture and you will understand the meaning of the word from the picture itself. So here is the picture for you. You see a picture, right? In this picture, a person is gathering something or crops from the field, right? So the meaning of the word reap is to cut or gather. We can say that the farmers used to reap their crops, right? So I hope that the meaning of the word reap is clear for you. Okay. So we have learned three new words today, which were the, yes, sill out, furrow and reap. So you have to learn these new words when you come tomorrow. Okay, so this is all for today. Thank you.